Hey guys, I'm Will with Jerkyholic, and today we're going to grill up some sausage and peppers. This is not sausage and peppers and tomato sauce. This is grilled hot Italian sausage and also sweet Italian sausage with some grilled veggies on top of a roll. So we're going to fire up the Weber and get it started. Okay, so we're going to preheat to about 350, 400. Clean the grill. We're going to throw our sausages on. We're going to cook these. I'm going to poke holes with toothpicks, and this just lets the steam come out so they don't explode. Slice up some onion. I'm also going to do yellow pepper, red pepper, use a couple different colors. Just slice them in long pieces, don't chop them. Make sure you move those sausages and rotate them while you're cooking so they evenly get cooked well. A little olive oil. Throw your vegetables in the pan and season with salt, pepper, garlic. We're going to cook those for about 10 minutes. Keep cooking the sausages till they're 160 internal, and then throw a couple buns on if you want toasted buns. Take about 30 seconds to a minute. Once it's finished, pull the sausages off. We're just going to top them with that onion and pepper mix, and that's it. You can serve it like that or on a bun with mustard or ketchup. Enjoy.